Welcome to Rajasasila Holistics. Today in the law of attraction, the final phase I am going to teach you. I think a small recoup I will tell you that law of attraction is the very greatest law in the universe to attract and manifest things. In this you have to eliminate your negative feelings and have positive feelings that you can manifest things. And second thing, you have to clear your space, your mind, body and soul, and protect your aura during this session. This has to be done every day. And third thing I have taught you is that you have to be in the state that you have achieved it. Now the final stage, how actually you will be doing the law of attraction process. For this you need a quiet place where you can sit and do the law of attraction manifestation. Take a paper and write whatever you want to manifest. Don't overdo, like jumbling too many problems in one go. Take one by one which you feel the most important one. Take that problem which you want to solve, or take that topic which you want to manifest, either of it, and sit in a quiet place where you can focus and concentrate on yourself and the manifestation process, and sit and write what actually you need. Write it in the positive and affirmative sense, that tense, that I have achieved so and so on this day. You write it clearly without any negative points. Don't say that I am not having this, or I want this, or not in that way. Just you write that I have achieved this and I am very happy about it and I thank the universe for it. So you will be writing that and put your signature there, and when you finish off and keep the pen aside, at that second, at that moment, think that you have achieved it. That's it. If you are going to be in that state of happiness, even initially for even 5 to 10 seconds is enough. Slowly you will gather that feeling and you can take up to 5 minutes, 10 minutes. It's up to you. However your capacity allows it to you. This is the process which many people have got it, and this is the easiest way of manifesting things. They do this for 45 days to 90 days according to your problem. This is the way of manifesting, guys, that I have taught you. So now I want to tell you, some people are as such that they don't have the inner capacity for manifesting things through law of attraction. For them, I am going, from next week I am going to teach how to manifest through vision board. That is also equally very powerful thing, but for that you don't need the inner capacity or to meditate and all. For some people who find it difficult, for them that will be very good. Or if you want to do both simultaneously, that also you can do to manifold the power of the law of attraction. So quickly we will go into the readings. Check the energies for Scorpio. If you have not subscribed our channel, kindly subscribe. For in the health context, you are getting the Chariot. Career and finance, you have got 2 cards, 9 of wands and 5 of cups. And in relationship, you have got 6 of wands. And now we will see what the universe sends you as the slogan for this week. All my relationships are enveloped in a circle of love. So now in the health context, Chariot says that you need to balance your lifestyle, your work and your health. You have to prioritize your health and move on. It's not that you lean more in yourself and be self-centered and leave your work and all. Neither you leave your health for your work. So that is not the way either. So you have to take care of your work and your job, your health lifestyle, everything you have to balance. Then only you can get a good synchronicity of your health. That's what this card says. We can give 60% positivity. And as far as your career and business and finance are there are some situations for some of you that you are not happy with your current situation of your finances. You are brooding upon what happened for some unexpected expenses or some setbacks in your finances that makes you unhappy. But the 9 of Wands says that there is still opportunity for you waiting. The 5 of Cups also says that everything is not ended up. Some situations, some things are, balls are there still to be turned off so that you can win over them. 9 of Wands also says that there are some topics which are unattended till now, which you move, that will bring lot of changes. That final move is in your hand, so take the good decision. And now the time is not completely exhausted, you can bounce back. But the only thing is you have to take the appropriate decision at appropriate time. That's what this card says. So this card is never a bad card. As far as I think, the energy says that still there is time for you to take the final step and bounce back to shape. That's what this card says. We can give 60% positivity. As far as a relationship is there, you see that you have won over your relationship which was giving you problem from long time. Maybe that person, somebody who was creating some problem from long time, had called you, or you felt that you were left alone. Now their care and their love will make you to bounce back to energy. That's what this card says, that love is coming back into your life. So things are going to become normal now. That's what this card says. 90% positivity. Let's see what the universe sends you as a slogan for this. All my relationships are enveloped in a circle of love. I have wonderful harmonious relationship with everyone where there is mutual respect and caring on both sides. Here what it says is that there is love for you which comes and envelops you. It is for you to grab that love in your life to make it work for you. That is the slogan for you this week from the universe. Let's see what the Sticktomancy has to say. Sticktomancy says what matters is not the size of the dog in the fight, but the size of the fight in the dog. That means what it says, whatever be the problem is not the thing which is big. It is how much you put to rectify it, how much you put to fight that problem, that matters. Problems are never big or small. It is up to your capacity whether you are able to put your maximum or you are afraid and you put only minimum. That makes the problem big or small. So you need to be more focused in your matter, that you take a proper decision to overcome your stress in your workplace. It is not that the problem is very big, it is only how precisely and how at the right time you put the right thing. That's what the Sticktomancy also says. So take a good decision, guys.